Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro, and in this video I'll show you how to learn all tools shortcut key in a few seconds. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. When you open up your Premiere Pro, go ahead and click on Edit. Then come down below right here. You have all keyboard shortcut key right here, and this is going to pump up right here. Then you have under the application, you have selection tool, which is V. You have track selection back to, you have it to be Shift plus A. You can scroll down and begin to learn all these shortcut key one after the other. There are more to learn right here. So under the file section, click on file section. You have Control plus O to open a project file, Control plus W to close a project file. Then you have close project also. So the more you scroll down, the more you learn different shortcut key in Premiere Pro without any stress. So this is one of the best way to learn every shortcut key that you might be needed or you can use in Premiere Pro. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Premiere Pro software video editing, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.